This is a standard cubicle mount bracket with a clamp attachment. The clamp attachment is adjustable for different materials such as acrylic. This bracket is mounted exactly the same as the standard cubicle mount, except in order to reach the top screw, you must first remove the screw portion of the clamp, using either your hands or the large Allen wrench provided. Once this piece is removed, you may take the small Allen wrench and adjust the width to be securely fastened to the cubicle, placing the bracket a hand's width distance from the edge. You may then reattach the clamp portion and adjust the width using the large Allen wrench. Once the clamp is reassembled, you can take your panel and slide it into both clamps using the large Allen wrench to secure it.